Hey y'all, in today's video I will be reviewing this 24-inch pre-braided straight wig that I received from Alipearl here. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. It already came fully pre-customized. All I had to do was tint the lace and install the wig. Also, this is their 13x6 HD lace front wig. First thing I'm doing is cutting the air tabs off on each side of the lace so that the wig can properly fit on my head. To lay my lace down, I'm going in with my Bold Hold Active Glue and I'm applying 2 layers of that glue. Then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer on a cool heat setting until my glue is tacky enough for me to lay my lace down. When it comes to laying my lace down, I like to make sure I lay my lace down in sections. So as you can see, I started with the middle section and then I laid down the sides afterwards. I'm using my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting to melt my lace down. I did this process for about 5 minutes and then I kept my elastic band on afterwards for an extra 15 minutes. I'm using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the color level 15 and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. I'm using the Kiss Lace Bond spray to make sure that the lace is fully glued down and melted. As far as the edges, they already came pre-customized. They were already cut, curled, and styled. However, the product that they used made the baby hairs a little bit more stiff. So I went back in with my edge brush and some mousse to restyle it. Going in with my hot comb using the hottest heat setting to flatten down the top of this wig. I really like that this unit already looks nice and flat when I put it on my head, so it didn't take a lot of work for me to go back in with a hot comb and get it flatter. The LA Girl Pro Concealer to enhance the parting space. going through the hair with my Revlon flat iron, and majority of the hair was already straight, but of course I had to go in and straighten certain areas of the wig. I wanted to add a different look to this wig. I didn't want to leave the ends straight, so I did go in and bump the ends upwards. This is the final look of this wig, and I really do like the outcome of it. I feel like this unit was very easy and simple to install. Everything is already done for you. It is already pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-styled, and pre-cut, so all you would have to worry about is just installing the wig. For those who are looking for a beginner-friendly wig, this will be the wig for you. I love the style that they did on this unit. I feel like the braids look so neat and the hair is actually nice and flat. It looked like they actually took their time with styling this wig. As far as the quality of this hair, it is definitely good quality hair. The hair was very soft. I was able to run my fingers through it with no problems, no tangles, no knots. Here's how the back of this unit look. I love how full it looks and it just has that natural shine to it. This is a versatile unit, so you can either wear it with the style or you can take the style out and wear it as a middle part or a side part. Overall, Alipearl did not disappoint with this unit. The quality of the hair was super nice, super soft. The lace looked very natural and it was so easy to blend. And the fact that this unit already came pre-styled is a plus as well. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, and like this video, and also stay tuned for my next video as well.